Hello friends! Today, we're bringing you a detailed review of the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free airtight food storage containers. How does it perform, and what are customers saying about it? Let's dive right in. 1. Product Overview. The Rubbermaid Brilliance set is a game-changer for organizing your kitchen and preserving food. Made from BPA-free plastic, it boasts a stylish, glass-like transparency that blends functionality with aesthetics. 2. Key features. Airtight and leak-proof design. The airtight seal ensures your food stays fresh for longer, while the leak-proof technology prevents any spills, even with liquids like soups. Microwave and dishwasher safe. It's microwave safe with a venting system that allows steam to escape while reheating food. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. 3. Insights from Amazon customer reviews. Now, let's hear what Amazon customers have to say about it. One customer mentioned, "I bought this set for meal prep, and I'm beyond impressed. The containers look great and are highly practical. No leaks, and the plastic is crystal clear like glass." Another user shared, "I've tried many containers, but this one is outstanding. It doesn't spread odors in the fridge, and the tight seal keeps food fresh." One more customer added, "The price is slightly high, but the quality is worth it. It saves both time and food in the long run." 4. Comparison with competitors. Compared to other food storage containers, the Rubbermaid Brilliance stands out due to its airtight technology and durability, ensuring long-lasting use. 5. Ease of use. This set is perfect for reducing food waste and keeping your kitchen organized. It's ideal for lunch packing, meal prep, and storing leftovers efficiently. So, that was our review of the Rubbermaid Brilliance container set. If you'd like to grab one for your kitchen, check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.